a severe weather alert.
Well, the snow not falling in the vertical, but horizontal all day long, being buffeted by gusts 50, 60, 70 miles per hour, leading the way Warren. In fact, many towns in double digits, but 25 inches. Attleboro, Charlestown, between 20 and 22, 18 Newport. I know John and Burrillville just checked in with 19 inches of snow, still snowing hard in the small corner of the state, and Jamestown at 14 inches. Still some lingering snow, but look how it's starting to get fragmented, starting to dry up. Some bands of steady, moderate snow, Connecticut, Rhode Island border, another band out towards Cape Cod Bay, and then in between, we're seeing indications of the precipitation drying up. Still have the blizzard warning in effect until midnight. Even with the snow easing up, you can still have blizzard conditions in terms of wind and visibility just based on the snow on the ground blowing and drifting and reducing visibility across the road. But it was a general 18 to 24 inches of snow statewide and region-wide, with Warren checking in at 25 inches of snow. Wind gusts, while they've come down a little bit, still rather gusty, and looking at Nantucket now gusting close to 50 miles per hour. The visibility in Narragansett has improved a little bit as well, with the snow easing up there, but there's still some gusty wind. Cold temperatures, look at this. It's in the teens, but you tack in that breeze, the wind. It's not a breeze, it's a gusty wind. The wind chills are running below zero, so a frigid night. Looking at better visibility in Newport right now with the temperature at 15, but the wind chill already below zero. Dew point at 12, with the atmosphere drying out and the snow easing. But what's left of our nor'easter area of low pressure now, you can see that counterclockwise spin well off the coast of Cape Cod. This will track up towards Halifax, Nova Scotia. So when we put this into motion, watch the blue, the snow kind of breaking apart and moving away. We'll see some gradual clearing. The wind on the backside of the storm will still be busy producing these wind chills below zero, but drier air is working in. This will continue right on through Sunday. It is a bright, cold, and dry day. Good day for cleanup, and we take you into tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening with quieter conditions, and then looking at temperatures, though, dropping back into the upper teens tomorrow evening. So as far as impacts, snow and the wind winding down this evening, but the snow on the ground continues to blow and drift. Still very gusty, gusts to about 35 to 40, maybe a little bit of minor splash over along the south shore, some minor coastal flooding, but nothing like some of the flooding they had on the coast on east coastal Massachusetts. So for tonight, looking at the atmosphere gradually drying out. It is frigid by 6 in the morning down to around 8, with the wind chill temperatures well below zero. And now for your Sunday, it is sunglasses and a heavy warm coat. Sunshine, cold and dry. Good for the kids to go sledding, good to clean things up. By 5 o'clock in the evening, the temperature is down to 20. 7-day forecast really shows a dry stretch Sunday through Wednesday. And while it is quite cold tomorrow, look at the gradual moderation in temperature. What's this? 50 degrees, rain showers on Thursday, cooler on Friday with a mix of rain and snow, and a temperature at about 42. We're going to send it back to our in-house weather historian, meteorologist TJ Del Santo. And you and I were looking at some of these numbers. I mean, pretty impressive today, and then trying to rank it with some of the other blizzards that we've had in the past.
Yeah, we're still waiting on the official word from TF Green Airport. Last we heard was 11.9 inches of snow had fallen, but that was back at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Before that, intense snow band set up over Rhode Island. The record for one-day snowfall in Providence, 18.3 inches. And it wasn't with the blizzard of 78. It was from a storm back in 1961 on February 4th. Yeah, kind of looking back in the history books, as far as snowstorms in general go, the blizzard of 78, still number one. At least at TF Green Airport, I'm expecting somewhere between 17 and 19 inches of snow. So we could easily end up in the top 10 greatest snowstorms in our history. Mike?
All right, TJ, thanks. Coming up next, we'll take a